Okay, we're loading up. Here's the 37. It's going tomorrow morning. 57's all loaded. It's going tomorrow morning. First show. The very first show. We'll do a better close-up on the suspension when we get her unloaded. And these are temporary. So we had the wheels we're having made or remade aren't done yet. They'll be done next week. We still got so much more to get to this point. Took so much work. What needs to be done, left to be done. Once the show's over, it comes back. It's taken apart one more time for gold cab plated. All the backing plates on the brakes, hardware be gold cab plated. Different wheels, black walls on front. Different wheels. I have those Fenton wheels that going on there, but there's that kit. And I'll have announcement on the cost on it. We come up with a cost on it. It's going to be a complete kit to include everything. It'll be everything except tires and wheels, pumpkin and axles. It'll have everything else: wheelie bars, ladder bars, all the front suspension. And you have to get the box. You provide the box. But what I have now is this. I think you put a 605 manual 605 box in there is what's in there now. Yeah, he's got a manual 605. It's a power box, but he needs to pull it out. But there's a little preview of it. The engine, right now, the builder is the pulley situation. Since we're not going with power steering on this, a little thing like having a single pulley instead of double pulley has turned into a major project. It's changing everything. So that's holding up the engine. We got an intercooler coming for it. We're looking at within 2 weeks to have it on the dyno. And the transmission's going on the dyno this week. They're supposed to call me when that's done. And then, yeah, that's gonna look great once we get all this dialed in. There's still a lot more little stuff to do. But we're headed to the Roadster Show. We're taking this 37 to sell. We're taking this to promote our kit and to take orders for our kit. And yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, that'll do it for now. Tomorrow I'll be back tomorrow for the show. We've been turning wrenches. I just helped Sean finish this up, so the place is a mess. And his wife is out here cleaning up it. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Later.